Apply this mixture in the shower area and cockroaches will quickly stay away. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which works as bait. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to help clean surfaces and discourage insects. Add 3 pumps of dish soap to improve the texture of the mixture and make it easier to apply. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar, known for its strong cleaning properties and intense smell. Finally, add a small amount of toothpaste to boost the mixture and create a slippery surface that cockroaches avoid. The finished mixture is best applied with a syringe or a small applicator so you can easily reach cracks and tight spaces. In the bathroom, especially around the shower, the mixture helps keep insects away since moisture often attracts them. Another important area is around the toilet, where cockroaches commonly appear. Then apply it near the entrance of your home to reduce the chance of insects getting inside. It is also worth using the mixture near the sink and in other damp places frequently visited by these unwanted pests. This way, you can discourage cockroaches and keep your home cleaner and more comfortable without unwanted visitors. This is how I got rid of cockroaches in 5 minutes. I didn't need any expensive products for this. A simple transparent container is enough, which will serve as a container for the mixture. Then, prepare sugar, preferably brown sugar. Due to its structure, it combines the other ingredients well and ensures that the mixture glows evenly. Add 2 heaping tablespoons. The next important ingredient is baking soda. It is a popular household product, valued for its neutralizing properties and wide range of uses in the home. Add about 3 tablespoons. To the mixture, add 3 tablespoons of coffee. Its intense aroma is very characteristic, and many people use it in home remedies for repelling insects. Prepare the wick of a candle and place it in the center of the mixture. Then, carefully light the wick. When the smoke and scent begin to rise, many cockroaches will avoid the area from a distance. It's best to place the mixture near a window, balcony, or terrace, where insects appear most often. Some also use this method in places where flies show up. This way, peace will reign in the house, and unwanted insects will finally stop appearing. Combine mosquito coils with these ingredients, and you'll boost their power with amazing results. You'll get rid of not only mosquitoes, but all insects from your home. I thought the mosquito coil couldn't get any stronger, but it can. Just do what I did, and you'll see. First, prepare a spray bottle with a diffuser. Break the mosquito coils straight into it. The second key ingredient is vinegar. Pour in half a cup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Dilute everything with half a cup of water. Finally, drop in 7 cloves. Close the bottle and shake it well so the ingredients mix together. Leave it for 30 minutes before using to let it gain strength. Then spray it in places where insects like to stay. It's not just for mosquitoes. The mix also repels flies, moths, cockroaches, and more. Spray kitchen cabinets, the lower areas where roaches may hide, or around plants and windows to keep mosquitoes away. You should hang it on the window. In no time, you'll get rid of a bothersome problem. You will thank me for this trick later. Hang such a bag in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom, on the window, or on the balcony door. This clever trick is a must-have. I can no longer imagine my home without such a pouch. All you need is to get an ordinary plastic bag. It doesn't have to be too big. The size I am showing now is sufficient. A couple of ordinary coins will also come in handy. Turn off the water in the sink and fill the pouch with water. It is enough to fill it halfway. Then drop a few coins into the water in the pouch. I have a zip bag, so I will close it now. But you can also use a regular bag. Tie it with a rubber band or string. The pouch looks like this. Hang it on the frame of the balcony door, or on the window handle. You won't see any more flies in the house. The reflected light from water and coins on a sunny day keeps flies away. These insects are afraid of water and all the strange flashes they associate with water. Such a bag of water with coins is enough to scare them away. They won't even want to go near it. Spray this on your skin, and mosquitoes will avoid you all summer. Insects often appear outdoors and can be really annoying, so it's worth knowing how to get rid of mosquitoes. Prepare a glass. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of coffee. Coffee has a strong scent and naturally repels insects. Pour warm water over it and let it sit for a few minutes to brew and release its aroma. Then strain the mixture through a sieve lined with gauze to remove the grounds and get a clear liquid. Add a few drops of essential oil, such as lemon, lavender, or eucalyptus. Add about 16 fluid ounces of water to slightly dilute the mixture and mix everything well. Pour the liquid into a larger spray bottle. Spray outdoor areas, especially around the patio, doors, and in the garden. Also, prepare a small travel bottle and pour some of the mixture into it. Spray your skin, for example your forearms, before going for a walk. This is an effective, natural way to repel mosquitoes and ticks and keep them away. This trap will catch all the flies in your home. Flies can be really persistent and multiply quickly, so it's worth acting immediately. Prepare a glass and pour in boiled water. Then add 4 generous tablespoons of sugar and mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are well combined. Sugar acts as a strong bait and attracts flies with its scent. Next, add a teaspoon of baking powder. It helps the mixture work and increases its effectiveness. Mix everything again. Now add a few drops of essential oil, for example lavender or peppermint. The oil enhances the effect and influences the insect's behavior. Mix everything thoroughly once more. Place the mixture on a windowsill or where the most flies appear. The flies will fly to it themselves, attracted by the scent, and won't want to leave. You can also leave it in the kitchen, and you'll notice the effect quickly. This is an effective homemade fly trap that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Such a trap works perfectly and quickly solves the problem. He pours coffee into plastic bottle caps. The result is genius. First, gather a few plastic bottle caps. They can be different types. Also, prepare some ground coffee. Pour a bit of coffee into each cap. Then grab a roll of toilet paper. Tear off a piece of paper. Roll it up tightly. And cut it into smaller pieces with scissors. Place one piece in the center of each cap filled with coffee. Now take a lighter or igniter and light the paper pieces you placed in the caps. The coffee will start to smolder and release smoke. This is a simple homemade method. It's not only effective but also safe for your health. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. It effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. Instead of buying expensive products, you can make your own repellent in just a few minutes. Always keep an eye on the burning paper and coffee. If needed, you can easily extinguish the fire with water. It's a brilliant solution for summer evenings. Be sure to try this trick and enjoy a peaceful time without annoying bugs. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes.